Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Global stock markets extended their recent rout, with S&P 500 companies wiping out $5 trillion in stock market value since Trump unveiled sweeping tariffs. The Nasdaq confirmed it was in a bear market, ending more than 20% below its record high close. Oil prices plunged to settle at their lowest in 3 years as China ramped up tariffs on US goods, escalating a trade war that has led investors to price in a higher probability of recession. China, the world's top oil importer, announced it will impose additional tariffs of 34% on all US goods. The US dollar rebounded against major currencies, such as the euro and yen, on Friday, after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell acknowledged the repercussions of larger than expected US tariffs and signalled a cautious tone on future easing.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.